Hello, kids! Learn with Pig! Let's start!
Morning at the egg farm, hear the hens say cluck. Tiny feet on fresh straw, look what we found tucked. Round white treasures in a row, warm and snug and neat. Careful hands and happy songs, bouncing to the beat. 1 egg, 2 eggs, see them shine. 3 eggs, 4 eggs, safe in line. Egg farm, cluck, cluck, time. Egg farm, shiny and fine. Egg farm,
Wow! Can you count all the eggs? Let's count them all together! Let's count the eggs!
For you
1,
and
2,
me.
3, 4, 5. So many eggs! Bright and colorful we look.
In the nest box, soft and clean, Mama hen sits low. Sunlight slips across the yard where the tall green grasses grow. Little eggs and bigger eggs, all in cozy beds. Every day the farm wakes up with happy feathered heads. 1 egg, 2 eggs, hear them say. 3 eggs, 4 eggs, what a day! Egg farm,
Count the eggs! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many eggs! Bright and colorful we look.
shiny and fine.
Wow! Can you count all the eggs? Let's count them all together!
1, 2, 3 for you and me. Tap your knees now.
Soft and slow,
Point to the nest box.
wash and blow.
Tiny oak inside, pale and bright. Egg farm friends are making breakfast right. Egg farm, cluck, cluck, time. Egg farm, shiny and fine. Egg farm, come with me. 1, 2, 3 for you and me. Cluck, cluck,
1 more egg, cluck, cluck, shake your leg.
egg farm, bye-bye now. See you at the barn, take a bow.
Wow! Can you count all the eggs? Let's count them all together! Bye-bye, kids! See you in the next video! Bye-bye!